Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 75th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about typecasting. We're going to make a very simple C program, and through that we're going to understand what typecasting is and how you can do it in a C program. So as you can see, using code blocks, I have saved a file. I've given it the name typecasting.c. On line 1 in this file, I have the stdio.h header file. On line 2, I have declared the main function, and then between the curly braces for the main function, I have some code. So as you can see, on line number 4, I have declared two integers, and they're called a and b. And on line number 5, I have declared a float variable, and I have given it the name c. On line 6 and 7, I've initialized a and b with values 10 and 3 respectively, and then I've divided the value of a with the value of b and stored the result in c, and then displayed its value on screen using the %f format specifier, since c is a floating point variable, and that's why I've used the %f format specifier in the printf statement. And that's it. That's what the program does. And we haven't done typecasting in this program yet. We're going to do that, but before that I'm going to show you the output of this program first. So as you can see in the output window, the result of the division operation is 3.60. Now that shouldn't be the case. Why? Because a is 10 and b is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, right? But the value of a is 10, so the result that we were expecting was 3.33. but what the compiler has done is it has performed integer division, right? So the compiler thought that, okay, fine, we're dividing an integer by an integer, so it has to generate integer result. So that's why 10 was divided by 3 and the result was 3.333, but the part after the decimal was neglected by the compiler, and just the value 3 was stored in C with a bunch of zeros after the decimal point, right? So typecasting is something that can help you avoid this, right? So if in this case, if you want the float value or the correct value to be stored in C, not the integer value with a bunch of zeros, then all you have to do is type in the keyword float here between parentheses, right? So before you type in a divided by b, you just type in the word float within parentheses, and this will instruct the compiler that you want this division to be performed in a float way, right? So you want the floating point result of this division, you don't want the integer result, right? So let me save the file, and now when I would run the program, you would see that in the output window we get the result of the division operation is 3.33333, right? So this is what we were expecting, and this is what we get. So this was not automatic typecasting. This is something that we've done. So we forced the compiler to change its normal way of operation. Now the compiler sometimes automatically promotes a value of a type that is lower in the hierarchy to a type that's higher in the hierarchy. Like if you're adding a character to an integer, then the character is promoted to an integer value, and then its value is added to the integer, right? So we're going to have a look at that automatic integer promotion in the next tutorial maybe. For the time being, this is all that I wanted to share with you guys, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next one, and please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and take care.